Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make truffle cream. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 ounce of fresh truffles, 1 cup of heavy cream, and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of good quality olive oil and a small pinch of fine sea salt. Having everything ready and at room temperature ensures a smooth and delicious outcome for your cream. Now, let's prepare our star ingredient, the truffles. Carefully brush off any dirt using a soft brush or a damp cloth. Avoid washing them under water. For optimal flavor, finely grate about 2/3 of your truffle or slice it very thinly. Next, gently warm 1 teaspoon of olive oil in a small pan and infuse it with about 1/3 of your grated truffle for a few minutes over low heat. This step really helps to deepen the truffle essence. With our truffles ready, it's time to create the creamy base. In a saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium-low heat. Once melted, add the truffle-infused olive oil and the remaining grated truffles. Stir gently for about 1 minute. Then, slowly whisk in 1 cup of heavy cream. Bring to a gentle simmer and cook, stirring occasionally until it slightly thickens, which usually takes 5 to 7 minutes. To finish your exquisite truffle cream, remove it from the heat and season with a small pinch of salt and a grind of fresh black pepper to taste. Remember, truffles are delicate, so don't overpower them. Serve this luxurious cream immediately over your favorite pasta, creamy risotto, or even roasted chicken. It's truly a simple way to elevate any dish. For more great kitchen tips and other deals, including the amazing Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.